Hey guys, Got Level here, and today we're going to be talking about this new feature on Twitch called the Video Producer. Let's just jump right into it. So right now, if you go on your Twitch channel and you click down on the little menu here, you could go here and click on Video Producer, which will bring you to a part of the dashboard called the Video Producer. So left side, once you're in the dashboard, you can look at the bottom and you will see Video Producer, where you have video moderation. It used to be video video management. Now it's called Video Producer because they expanded the whole thing to become an actual video producer, kind of like the Creator Studio from YouTube. So this is pretty cool. One big feature that I like is the fact that you can edit your titles from your past broadcasts. Basically, if you click on videos, it will show you all of the content that you have on your Twitch channel right now. And on the right side here, you will get your filters. So all of it, so this is where everything you uploaded, your past broadcasts, plus your highlights, they will all show up at the same place. But if you click on upload, it will show you only the videos you have uploaded. Past Premiere, we will get into that. I haven't done any Premiere. I actually want to show you how to do a Premiere and kind of discover it at the same time. Past broadcast, so this is where you would find your VODs, and then you have your highlights. So those are the VODs that you highlighted. Okay, so if we go up to just past broadcast, and this is what I really love. First of all, it's gonna tell you if you have like muted audio in the broadcast. I made a video on how to download your VODs, which is completely obsolete now, because what you have to do is go on the right side, little menu here, click and click on download. This is how you download your VODs straight from Twitch now. Same thing for your highlights, same thing for your uploads. Can you download your uploads? Let's check it out. You cannot download your uploads, but it wouldn't make sense, to be honest. Okay, let's go back to past broadcast. Okay, so here you have all of your VODs. So those are the streams that are pre-recorded, and well, not pre-recorded, that were automatically recorded, and you can edit them. I usually have problems with the title. Sometimes I would update my title and it would not take it into account once my VOD is up. So here you can just change the title of any VOD as long as they're still active on your channel. You can actually describe your VOD and you can put tags for people to be able to find it. Right now, I don't think the tags are very useful, but if you're gonna add tags and want to be, and this is if you want to add tags and this is a thing that's gonna become relevant in the future, well, now is the time to start adding tags. And my favorite feature is that you can add custom thumbnails for your VODs. This is awesome. This changes the whole game when it comes to people getting on your channel and you're not live and they click on video to see what your stream looks like. You can have custom thumbnails, and if you don't have custom thumbnails, you have like 3 automatically generated thumbnails from moments inside your VOD, where you can choose the best one. As you can see here, I chose the middle one because I think that is more appealing than just that. So that was the automatic one. I chose this one, and now I can just copy it, and then you have like the little Twitch video thing. So this is really awesome. One cool thing they added in which is different is the upload feature. Now the upload queue is going to be on top of this page wherever you are in the Video Producer, and what you can do is just click and drag files into it to upload them. And once they're uploaded, they will appear immediately. You no longer have the edit thing directly. It will upload it, and then you will have to go here and click on edit to edit it. This is my clips compilation number 2. I just uploaded it a couple minutes ago. I'm not gonna describe anything, just like a compilation of my clips. Not gonna put any tags. Category, I'm not gonna put any category because it's a mix. I can just save changes, and it's saying not scheduled, which is kind of like I guess the private feature on YouTube, I guess. Like, I'm gonna stop comparing Twitch to YouTube. And now you can schedule a premiere. Now, what a premiere is basically you publishing your video out into the world. And the cool thing is that it's gonna notify people that follow you that you are about to do a premiere, kind of like a real premiere. And it's different than a rerun. I should have said that before. There's no what's it called? Vodcast anymore. It's not called a vodcast anymore. It's a rerun. A rerun is you playing something that was already broadcasted live or already streamed. That means if anyone on Twitch saw it already, it's gonna be a rerun if you're trying to play it again. A premiere is literally like the first time that your followers and the people on Twitch can see it. You can also upload an event. It's kind of like an event, like, oh my god, I just made this new video, I want everyone to come and watch with me, and I'm gonna be in chat and I'm gonna talk to you guys and entertain you while we're all watching this together, except it's your content. I think this is gonna be a good thing for like vlogs, I guess, if you have like a travel vlog and you want all your followers to watch it. If you did not stream during this travel, I think this is gonna be a cool feature for that. Event description. Event title, I'm gonna put Twitch compilation. And the thing that I want to test is how early can I broadcast my my premiere. This is Friday 9th. I want it to be today. Okay, 5 a.m. is not going to be possible. What time is it? It's 4:44. Let's go for 4. Okay, I cannot type. I need to manually choose. Let's go for 5. PM. Okay, I don't like this system at all. Can I just type the time? Or is it me being a dum-dum? No, you can't. Okay, 5 p.m. I guess I have to wait 15 minutes to 16 minutes to be able to test this thing. I guess it's gonna take its time to send notifications to everyone, but yeah. Cool thing is that you can have this event. I'm not a huge fan of the file size, like less than 1 megabit and megabyte, and I'm not a fan of the resolution either, but that's fine. We don't have one. That's okay. So let's just tell your viewers why they should watch your event. Fun. Please come up with more creative titles for this type of thing, please. And let's save. Category. What is this? IRL. Let's go with IRL. There's a bunch of IRL in there, though it's mostly creative. Whatever. So now it's saved, and now in 15 minutes, my channel will be broadcasting this thing, and apparently you can have a countdown. I'm not sure about that. I need to reread the whole blog post about it, but I guess I'll wait and then I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Okay, it's almost time. If you go to your dashboard, like if you have used like Vodcast before, then you know that you need to check your playlist at the dashboard. So dashboard in the live tab, and you can check what is called reruns now. So your playlist is not changed. Reruns is just a new name. Your playlist is exactly the same if you had a playlist for your vodcast. But now you have the premieres. It's kind of weird to say premieres because I'm used to using Adobe Premiere, so I call it Premiere, whatever. So you will see two things. You will see the video that you premiered, that you're premiering, and you will see a countdown video that you can actually edit. If you click on edit, you can actually put the countdown for less than that. That means you will go live. Right now it's gonna go live 30 seconds before the video, and then it will play the video, which is pretty cool, which I really like. Mine is a 4 minutes and 45 video. I probably won't have any viewers like get the time to get the notification and actually come, but it's pretty cool. I also wonder what type of notification they send. Do they say Get Level is starting a live premiere, or is it just the notification that you have on the going live? I really wonder, but I'm guessing the title of the stream is going to be the title of your video. I think. I'm really not sure. It's actually my first time doing this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to my channel. Well, I actually have a tab with my channel already open, and we're gonna wait patiently. It should start in about 30 seconds. We should actually have the countdown. I am already hosting someone. I'm hosting my friend Swosix, and I wonder if it has to pull me out of host mode and then start the countdown. Oh, there we go. I'm no longer hosting. So this is the countdown video that you get. That's pretty cool. It's kind of a shame that I don't know what notification, but I'll ask my viewers how was the notification. It actually took a lot of time to pull me out of the host mode, but that's cool. 3, 2, 1. My title hasn't changed though.
Y'all, she came up out the water splash. Her name is Viking Crash. She's on.
I'm gonna mute this because like there's swearing in it, but yeah, it's pretty weird that my title is the exact same. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh to make sure this is not a bug. Okay, it was a bug. Never mind. So it will, as I predicted, it will be the title of your video. But funny thing is that it says it's live. It doesn't say it's a rerun. Maybe it's because it's my own channel. I have to admit I'm quite confused. But it's working anyways. Like if you put it, it's gonna play it. That's for sure. Anyway, so this is how you start a Premiere. One thing I want to clarify once again is that if you want to download your videos, your past broadcasts, so you cannot download straight from Twitch the videos that you uploaded to Twitch because it doesn't make any sense. Apparently the past premieres are listed as in past premieres. Now I have a past premiere because I just did one. Let me just make sure that no one's talking in my chat while the premiere is going on. Okay, so if you want to download your VODs, go to past broadcast, find your VOD, click here and click download. It'll take a couple seconds and then the download will start. If you want to download your clips, you can go to clips, and here you will see the clips management thing. It's not that different, but if you click on it, we'll open it up here, and you can right click on the clip and click you can right click on the clip and click save video as to download the clip. If you want to share it here, and if you want to delete it, it's here. You also have like the little filter thing, which is clips I have created. So you clicked on the clip thing, it's going to show all those clips and clips that people have created of your channel. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers so I can keep my content monetized and I can bring more videos to you guys. I was using a particular overlay. This isn't the overlay that I use for stream usually, but this is an example overlay that I have. It has like a stream ending. It's an animated overlay pack basically that I am selling for 99 cents on gumroad.com/GuileLevel. So this overlay pack can be yours. All you have to do is go to gumroad.com/GuileLevel. And I think that's it for me. Let me just activate my full screen webcam, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments in the comment section below if you have any questions about like the Premiere or even like the overlay from gumroad.com. GuileLevel out.